Tell me if I'm visible now.
Yes, you are visible now.
Audible and visible both.
Yes, yes, everything is clear.
Yeah, sorry, my screen froze, so I was not able to unmute myself. So now it's fine.
Yeah.
Okay, so hi Saket, how are you?
I'm fantastic. And what about you?
I'm good, thank you. Have you ever had a session with me before?
Yes, but it's been a long.
Yes.
Uh, it's
Because after
almost.
seeing you, I did feel like I've seen you before. Okay.
But it's been a long. We talked before this. I think it's been a. It's almost a year.
What? It's been a year
Yes,
since we talked. Oh
yes.
God. Okay, so we
Because
talked last year. Okay.
my subscription ended and I resumed it after a long time.
1 year? Oh
Yes,
my
yes.
God. Then it's very good to see you again. How have you been? It's almost a year now.
I've been doing well.
You've been doing well? Great, great. Okay. So when did you rejoin?
I rejoined it on 30th of December
December. Okay. And how
last.
are your
Yes,
sessions
yes.
going?
Every session is going well.
Going
I'm
well?
enjoying it.
Okay, wonderful. Good to know. So what have you been doing in this 1 year break that you just took?
I was just practicing in myself, like in front of mirror and
Very
reading some
nice.
books.
Very good.
And I
Okay.
made some friends with whom I can practice.
Very nice. Okay. And where did you find these friends?
I joined the Joe's Skill application, and there I started practicing. So
Hmm.
I found many friends there. I found
Okay.
many
I
friends there.
I did hear about this application that you connect with random people on call.
Yes, on Joe's Skills. Yeah.
Okay. So that's how you're practicing.
Yes. Yeah.
Is it working well?
Yes, and after practicing there, I improved a lot because before that I was very hesitant and unable to speak.
Mm-hmm. Okay. See,
But
it's been a long
now I
time,
can speak.
so I cannot judge you how you were in the past because I don't
Yes,
think I would be correct in
but
doing
I
so.
know, but I know I improved a lot after that.
Wow. Wonderful. Okay. Do you talk on this app every day?
Yes, but I have only 3 sessions in a week, so not every day. It is not
Okay.
possible.
On
I
Josh.
don't have. Oh
You're saying
yes,
some
on Josh. Yeah, yes,
yeah.
on Josh. I
You
spoke
talk every
every
day.
day. Yes, every
Okay.
day.
Wonderful. And you connect with a new person every time.
Yes, but nowadays I have many friends there, so I spoke only with all of them. I don't get
Okay.
time to speak anyone
With
else.
strangers. Correct. Okay.
Strangers.
So you guys must have exchanged numbers and then you have your
Yes,
own group.
some of them have given me their number, and some are
You talk
still
with them.
on. Yes, some are
Oh
still
wow.
there on that application only. Yes.
So you can connect with the same person again also.
Yes, there we
Okay.
have one option. We if we like some like some partner, then we
Yeah.
can send them request, and if they accept that request, then we can call them directly.
Wow. This is so nice. Okay. See, I didn't know that you can connect with the same person again.
Yeah, but we can.
I thought that every
So
time you would be exploring new. Yeah.
no, no, you can, but for that, both of you have to be agree
Like
with
each other.
each
Hmm.
other. Yes,
Correct, correct. Okay, got it. Good to know that you're enjoying the application and finally you found somebody who you can interact with on a daily
yes,
basis. Wonderful. Okay. Reading books also, like you mentioned.
yes, yes.
Okay,
I
so
read
what
many
sort of books
books.
are you reading?
Uh, these days, I've been reading some spiritual books like Gita and
Wow.
one of Buddha, and now I am going to start Vivekananda. Like it all
Oh my
has been written
God.
by Pranay. Yeah,
Okay.
Vivekananda. These days,
So you,
I'm reading spiritual books.
all
Yeah.
these books. So you are going to turn into a saint completely now.
No,
Vivekanand books and Gita and what else?
Buddha,
Buddha.
Buddha,
So you
Buddha.
are going to come. You're going to become a complete saint now.
No, no, not like that. But yeah, it gives us grace and it gives
Yeah.
us right direction.
Correct. At least you can find a peaceful corner within your heart,
Yes,
after reading
and
such
it
books.
it teaches us how to be a leader, a good leader. What are the qualities that a leader must have?
Divyam. Correct. Wonderful. So you're enjoying these sort of books.
Yes, yes.
So only spiritual books you've explored or some other categories
No,
as
no.
well?
I told you about those books that have I have read in recently. I've read recently, but
Hmm.
yeah, before that I read many books. Some romantic books, 5 feet apart, and
Oh,
only
wow.
one book romantic and 5 feet apart, and Think and Grow Rich, and one I forget its name. It was mystical novel,
Okay.
The Hidden Staircase. The Hidden Staircase.
Okay. I've heard
Quite
of the
mystical,
hidden.
yeah, mysterious novel. Yeah, yes, yes,
Yes.
yes.
Okay. Oh, you should watch the movie also 5 feet apart.
Yeah,
There's a movie 5 feet apart, and
I
I'm
know, but
sure
I
you
didn't
like
find it. Where is it available? On which platform?
5 feet apart. I think I watched on Netflix.
Netflix.
Yeah, it's there on
I
Netflix.
don't have
5 feet apart.
subscription. I don't have
Oh.
subscription. Whenever I
The
feel
way you
it, I'll watch
whispered,
it.
I don't have the subscription. That was so cute. Actually, the 5 feet apart was the movie. I literally cried in that movie. So I'm like, oh my god. So I'm like,
Yes.
Arey, yaar, don't show me such emotional movies. I want to show some. I want to watch something exciting. And then he's like,
So,
okay, I don't have the subscription, but okay.
both I took subscription.
Even I don't have a subscription. I use somebody else's Netflix. That's what's happening with me. My Amazon, Hotstar, and Netflix all
You
are
know,
of somebody else's.
I'm
What
a
about
student, and yes, I'm a student, and it is hard to purchase all subscription. Sometimes you have to purchase Amazon Prime, sometimes Netflix. So
the problem with me was I took Amazon Prime. I
yes,
decided that this time I'm gonna buy my own subscription. I'm not gonna take my friend's subscription. I'll
okay,
buy it. And in that
okay.
month, I had my final exams. The entire month, I didn't watch anything, and it got expired. And I'm like,
As your money wasted.
it got expired, and I'm like, no,
uh,
the other person's subscription is
I
better.
won't take subscription from now. You are like that. You know,
I don't
my,
want to take subscriptions. I'll take it from
but
somebody else.
but you are lucky that your friends are taking this subscription. My no friend, like no one takes a subscription. Not a single friend takes subscription.
Yeah,
So
that
I'm
was the
unable to
problem.
exchange anything. Everyone is like everyone is like me. Do you have
Yeah.
any subscription? Everyone asks each other, but no one takes subscription.
And he's like, I don't have it. If you have it, then give it to me. Okay.
Then yes.
You know what is happening, Saket? Like, there's a friend of mine, and she has given me her Hotstar, and it's of one screen. So every time I
Okay.
watch something, it gets logged out from her device. Then when she logs in, it gets logged
It
out
happens.
from my device, and we're
You
like
know,
continuously juggling.
I do these things in class. Like whenever one friend takes some class, then I told 2 to 3 friends, don't take this class that because he has taken this class. We will share it.
Oh. You know what we can do? We can come up with a system. Like there are three people, and each of you can take like one subscription each. Like you can take
I
Netflix, the other
I
can
did
take
it.
Amazon, Hotstar,
but
and then you can
not
reshuffle.
but not in all these things because many friends are preparing for competitive examination, so they are not
Oh,
taking all these subscription. But yeah, whenever they take any subscription of any classes, so we exchange it. And
that's
I did
nice.
it, and I watched many classes like this, and I saved
Wow.
thousands of money, and I saved thousands of money.
Look at me being such a bad person and suggesting you to watch some OTT platform, and the person is taking subscriptions of studying platforms. So
Yes,
it
yes.
is my hint that you need to study, man, and don't give like bad advice to the people. That's
No,
the
no,
problem.
nothing like that. It is nothing like that.
But okay, it's good that you have saved tons of money using a friend subscription of your studying plan.
Yes, yes. And by doing this, I made many friends. Not, not only in my regional area, even across India, I made many friends.
Across India?
Yes, like
How?
from Uttar Pradesh, Bhopal, Maharashtra, Bhubaneswar, Orissa, Assam,
What?
everywhere.
How do you have such contacts across the entire country?
on
How do you
on
have it?
we are being added in Telegram, some Telegram channel, and somewhere like that. So someone commented, "Brother, anyone has this subscription?" Then I comment, "Yes, I have." Then I asked in return, "What will you give in return if don't like if you have any
Look
other
at you,
subscription?"
man. Oh God. He's like, what will you give me in return? First tell me this. Oh,
Yes.
that's playing smart. That's actually playing smart. Okay,
Yes.
what did you give? What did he give you in return?
What will you give in return? If you have any other teacher subscription, then share it with me. And if you don't have, then you have to pay.
Oh, smartest person who has played the game here. Wow.
you know, you know.
Yeah.
Now I'm saying this to you. One my uh, friend, she's girl, so she asked me, "Can I join your Clapingo session?" So I told her,
Oh,
I'm not sure if there is no problem, if the tutor will not say anything, then I will give you one session. So
I
can she join by
yeah,
my
she can.
subscription?
Yes, she can. Of course, she can. It's just
Okay then.
that everything is from your side. Just in place of you, somebody else is sitting.
Okay, so I
Yes.
promised her that I will give you one session only. I will.
Okay, that's so nice. Okay, what is she giving you in return?
Uh, I don't know. I've never asked her, but just see.
This is rude, huh, Saket? This is rude. That guy asked you, so you said, "What will you give me in return?" This girl asks you, so you are like, "Yeah, I
But
can
that
give
time,
you my
that
clipping
that
session."
no, no, that time I was not sure that I will be able to give her or not. I was
That is
not. I
partial,
was not
okay? Very
sure.
partial of you.
No, there is no partial. Like at that time,
Okay.
I was not sure whether I will be able to share this or not.
Hmm. Yes, you can
Now
do
I'm.
that. People have done this.
Oh, you know,
Like,
one day on 25th of January, I was busy and I booked one session and I was unable to attend that session.
join.
But I was
Hmm.
not sure whether she can join it or not.
Yes, she can. It has
If I
happened that
were,
there was a learner and he was very sick. So he asked his daughter to take the session on his behalf so that the session doesn't get wasted. So yes,
if
she can do that.
if I were, I was unable, aware of it, then I would have given her it.
But don't forget to ask what is she giving you in return, okay?
Okay, I will ask.
Don't forget that.
I will ask her. Oh my
Because then it will be proven fact that you are being partial to girls. Okay?
God. No, I never do partialism with anyone.
Okay, not being
I
partial, that's good.
yes,
Okay.
I do everything
But it's so
being
much fun.
unbiased. Yeah.
It's like give and take thing, right? I'm giving you something,
Yes,
so I have to
exchange.
take
Yeah,
something
yeah,
as
we are
well.
exchanging. Like we
Barter
purchase
system it is.
something by
Yeah.
yeah, by giving money. So there too we are exchanging something
Hmm.
like
Of course.
money, and we are exchanging some.
There's nothing
Stuff.
bad about it.
Yes.
It's actually a fair deal.
Mm.
But you reading all the books, you have become a saint now. So you only have to give. You cannot take now. You can
No,
just give it for free to
I'm reading all
everybody.
these books to learn leadership and many things to develop my personality.
The communication, everything. Right.
Yes, yes.
Mm-hmm.
That's why I'm reading this.
Mm.
But
See,
I'm not earning money, so I have to do all these things. I have to
I have to play
arrange
smart.
something. Yes,
Yeah, I cannot do community service. I have to
yes.
do some exchange
Once I
stuff.
will earn, then I will do all these things.
Of course, you can. See, honestly saying, although I cannot say how we had a conversation earlier, but I do feel that you have worked a lot on yourself, and that shows. Because
If you
I do
want,
find
then I can share that video link with you because I
how
have uploaded
how
that
will you
video
share
on
it?
YouTube.
Oh, you okay? So you run your own YouTube channel as well. Then it would be easy
Yes,
for me to review.
yes,
It
yes.
would be easy for me to review you. That's good.
Is there
But anyway, how is your YouTube channel going?
no? As I left, there is no progress now. But
Okay.
this time, I believe that it will grow.
Of course it will. The only problem with YouTube is that you have to be consistent.
Yes.
Consistency is
Uh,
very important on YouTube.
and no, I learned this not only in YouTube, in any undertaking, whatever you are doing, you need to be consistent.
Exactly.
Otherwise, you are not going to do anything. You are not going to get anything.
The problem is
Not
that
only
YouTube audience
because
is
I'm
supposed
preparing.
to be
I'm
engaged, right?
Yes, yes. Because I'm preparing for competitive examination. In that too, we need consistency. We need persistence. We need patience. And
No, you are actually right. It's not just one way, it's everywhere. Consistency is like very important. You have to be
in
growing continuously.
everything. Yeah.
That's very
If
true.
you study, yeah, it is true. I faced this problem. Whenever I left some classes, and then I have to face many hardness to complete all those backlog classes.
Mm. Mm-hmm.
And all backlogs, whatever I didn't study, so I have to face all those problems.
Right. So are you
You
missing a
know,
lot of classes? No, right?
no, no matter wherever I am, even if I am traveling somewhere, even then I watch my classes. I won't leave because I
Oh
know
God.
after that I am going to face a lot of problems. Because next day I will have to watch those next day classes and previous classes, so it will be too much hectic for me.
Correct, of course. So it's good. Your classes happen online.
Yes,
Thank
I
God.
I joined all classes online. I know I'm
Online.
busy. I have all other
No
works too,
problem.
so I won't be able to attend all my classes every day.
Right. Okay. So you have options for both, like online also and offline also.
Yes, yes, but for offline, I have to go
Go and
outside
be there
my city.
physically.
Yes,
Hmm.
yes, physically,
Okay. So do you feel the
and
online
that
is
takes.
paying equally?
I think it is better than offline.
Aha. Oh wow. Then
Yes,
that is good. If online is
you
better than
know,
offline, then